Greetings, human. Welcome to my ship. Please do not, how do you say, scared. Be not scared. I am a scientist of my kind. I am here to observe the human race. You have been selected for examination. Do you consent to being examined? Thank you. What is my name? You do not have names like ours on your planet. Schlemo is as close as I can get. Schlemo. Schlemo. Yes, like that. What is this? You refer to as vocal cords cannot create the sounds necessary. You have such tiny vocal ranges as humans, unfortunately. There is so much music that you could never make. Alright, well, let us move on to the testing. If you have inquiries, please let me know during the process. Today, we will be doing something your kind calls a cranial nerve exam, where I will be testing your senses. First, I would like to listen to your heart and lungs. Please allow me to gather my instrument. I will now place the listening apparatus on your chest. Please breathe as normal. Good. Now take a deep breath. And another. Good. Please breathe deeply again. And again. Good. Your O2 levels are good. 98%. Your heart rate is within normal resting heart rate. 68 beats per minute, and your airways sound clean. Congrats, you are normal for a human. Human, Do you have a preference on which sense we test first? We can do sight, touch, taste, smell. You would prefer to do sight. Alright. And hearing. Still. Sight. Alright. Human. We are going to begin with what color is the wall of my ship? Please describe the color of the wall. What do you see here? Interesting. You see a movement of colors? Your eyes must intake light much differently than we do. No, that is a plain white wall. Plain white. Magnificent that your eye structure is so much different. How do you see this light? What does this appear to you as? Warm. The light does not make heat noticeably. The color range is warm. Ah, I see. Humans describe things in such silly manners, using words that have two different meanings. Should just have multiple words, so no confusion. Warm light. To us, this shines blue, what we call blue. Now, I would like you to follow the light with your eyes. Human, are you able to control each eye independently? Eyes are stuck and fixed. Understand. How inferior. Please use both eyeballs to watch light then. Most alien species can use eyes independently. Has to look out for threats. Would be much more difficult if had to look in the same place with both eyes. I will give you two positions of the light. Please tell me if position A or B is closer to you. Let's begin. A or B? Which is closer? Good. Now, A or B? Good. A or B? Good. Good job, human. Would you like sense of hearing tested next, human? Good. I will be using this device here that mimics your ears. It sends signals that match your brainwaves, so you should be able to hear me even as I whisper. Over here. Is that correct? Good. I will whisper a series of numerical values. Please repeat once I have finished. 6, 12, 7. What did I say? Good. 14, 11, 3, 4. Good. Again. 9, 15, 23, 5. What did I say, human? Good. Once more. 3.14. 9.02. 172. 413. That one was too difficult. Little human mind. It's so cute that you cannot remember. It is okay. I think we now move into taste. We have a few different objects for you to taste. This procedure will be done with these clips. These will attach to your tongue like so, and they will send flavor transmitters that will allow you to taste what they are sending. Please remove your tongue from your mouth. Perfect. I will place on your tongue. Good. What flavor was that? Yes, correct. It was, as you humans say, a cantaloupe melon. Good. Next. Open. Please extend your tongue from your oral orifice. Had enough, human? What flavor? What flavor did this impart to your taste buds? It was spicy. Yes. Cinnamon. Correct. This was a cinnamon. This one is my favorite test. Your human's cinnamon is unlike any flavor that we have on our planet. Would you like to try a delicacy of my people, human? I have brought a jar of my favorite snack. Can you see? I eat handfuls of this at a time, but I will give you a small portion. It is rather chewy and slimy. Please, open. Yes. Consume. Please consume. What do you like? There's not really something to compare in human food to this. It is salty, it is sour, it is tangy. You find appetizing, human? Well, more for me. You may like more of the food that we serve to infants of our kind, as it is much less flavorful. The sarlacc beetle tastes similar to your plain oatmeal. I will find you a beetle next time. Now, let us move into touch. Please hold out your hands like so. I will touch you with an object, either something that is hard or something that is soft. Let's begin. Close your eyes. Am I touching you with something hard? Hard, yes. Now, am I touching you with something soft? Yes. How about now, human? Soft, yes. And now? Hard. Perfect. I would like to test your dexterity. Can you please hold hands up? Spread all fingers apart, like so. Good. Close all fingers together. Good. Please move your pinkies from your fingers grouped together. Good. Can you now move your ring finger apart? Good. Your pointer finger away. Good. And then your thumb. Perfect. Can you move your ring and pinky spread as well, like so? Good. Marvelous. Thank you, human. Your dexterity is, well, average for humans. Now, let us move into sense of smell. I have a few of our creatures that emit smells. Now this one, he is rather shy, so please do not scare him. This is a gnome. Now he will emit a smell as he approaches. Please inhale deeply, but refrain for making sudden movements. He is frightened of newcomers. Learn, please. Human, what does he smell of? Thank you, Leon. It is a quite interesting smell. It does smell familiar. I'm sure it does to you, human. We have been told it smells like a chicken pot pie. Do you agree? Marvelous. Next, I will bring in our next individual. This is Florp. Say hello, Florp. Oh, you cannot hear him. Your ears must not be able to pick up his frequency. Now I must brush his hair to emit his pheromones that will emit the scent. I will do it further away as well as closer to you. These ones are, again, how you say cute. Florps are pets. What scent are you smelling, human? Yes, it is vanilla. Correct, human. Thank you so much for allowing me to do my tests. This will conclude your cranial nerve exam done by me. But we do have a few more tests for you. I am going to send you to the next portion of the ship where you will get a pelvic exam. Please continue on the hallway that way. Down, as you say, yonder. Thank you for aiding in my research, human. There will be someone to assist you down yonder. Goodbye.